Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so today we are at Dollar Tree in the front of the store. So let me show you what they still have, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a little while, I so thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so you can enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Now, they're pretty stocked here at my store still, and Christmas is shortly away. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays.